Elon Musk's artificial intelligence company, xAI, has recently unveiled its latest AI model, Grok 3. Designed to push the boundaries of AI technology, Grok 3 is set to compete with the most advanced models on the market today. In this video, we'll explore its features, compare it with other leading AI models, and evaluate its overall performance. Launched on February 17, 2025, Grok 3 represents a significant leap from its predecessor, Grok 2. According to xAI, Grok 3 was trained using 10 times more computing power, leveraging the Colossus data center equipped with approximately 200,000 GPUs. This extensive training has reportedly enhanced Grok 3's capabilities in mathematics, science, and coding. One of the most notable advancements is the introduction of two new reasoning modes, Think and Big Brain. Additionally, xAI has introduced Deep Search, an AI-powered search engine designed to provide detailed summaries and explanations, placing it in direct competition with existing AI research tools. According to xAI's benchmark tests, Grok 3 outperforms several leading AI models, including OpenAI's GPT-4, DeepSeek's V3, and Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet. The model has reportedly achieved higher scores in mathematics, science, and coding benchmarks, including an impressive 93.3% on the 2025 American Invitational Mathematics Examination, or AIME, surpassing its competitors. However, these claims come primarily from xAI's internal testing. Let's take a closer look at how Grok 3 stacks up against its competition. First, OpenAI's GPT-4o, a widely recognized leader in natural language processing. Next, DeepSeek's V3, which has gained attention for its cost-effective approach to AI development. Finally, there's Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the latest AI from Anthropic. As of now, Grok 3 is available exclusively to X Premium Plus subscribers, costing $40 per month. However, concerns have been raised about Grok 3's moderation policies. This raises important ethical considerations about its potential risks and real-world applications. Grok 3 represents a significant step forward in xAI's artificial intelligence development, boasting remarkable improvements in problem-solving, reasoning, and computational power. As AI technology continues to evolve, the ultimate question remains: is Grok 3 truly the superior AI model, or is it just another player in an ever-growing competitive landscape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.